In conclusion, synonyms with examples. Learn many other ways to say in conclusion with example sentences. In summary, life is full of ups and downs, but it's important to keep moving forward. All in all, life is a precious gift that should be cherished and enjoyed. All things considered, it's important to prioritize your happiness and well-being in life. As a result of hard work and determination, many people are able to achieve their goals in life. At the end of the day, what matters most is the relationships we build and the memories we create. By and large, life is what you make of it. Attitude and perspective can make all the difference. Lastly, it's important to remember that life is a journey, not a destination. In a nutshell, life is unpredictable and full of surprises, both good and bad. In brief, life is a balance of work, play, and relationships. In concluding, everyone's experience of life is unique and should be valued and respected. In essence, life is a precious and fleeting opportunity to make a positive impact on the world. In short, life is too short to waste time on things that don't matter. In sum, it's important to set goals and work towards them in order to live a fulfilling life. In the end, we will all face challenges and obstacles in life, but it's how we respond to them that matters most. In the final analysis, life is a beautiful and complex journey that requires us to be present and engaged in the world around us. Last but not least, one of the most important things in life is to surround yourself with people who love and support you. On the whole, life is a wonderful and exciting adventure full of opportunities for growth and learning. To conclude, life is a precious gift that should be cherished and lived to the fullest. To sum up, life is a journey of self-discovery and personal growth that can lead to great fulfillment. To summarize, life is a complex and beautiful experience that requires us to be present and engaged at the moment. Ultimately, the meaning and purpose of life is something that each person must discover for themselves.